Be ready. Start. Leave granted. Ramlal, the appellant, was a constable with the Rajasthan Armed Forces 9th Battalion, Jodhpur. He was appointed on 15 December 1991. A first information report was registered on 2nd September 2022 against him under sections 420, 467, 468 and 471 of the IPC. Soon thereafter, on 2nd April 2003, a charge sheet in a departmental inquiry was also issued. The identical allegation in both the proceedings was that the appellant altered his date of birth from 21 April 1974 to 21 April 1972 in his 8th standard mark sheet. It was alleged that this was done to project himself as having attained majority at the time of the recruitment. The appellant denied the charges. Asked about the overwriting in the application, the appellant stated that it was possible that in the application form he might have written initially as 21 April 1974 and thereafter corrected it to 21 April 1972. He, however, maintained that his date of birth was 21 April 1972. 5 witnesses were examined in the departmental proceeding. These very 5 witnesses were also examined in the criminal trial apart from 8 other witnesses who were also examined at the criminal trial. The inquiry officer in the departmental proceeding found the charges proved and the disciplinary authority by an order of 31 March 2004 dismissed the appellant from service. The appellate authority also dismissed the appeal. Attempts to have the order reviewed and the penalty reconsidered were also in vain. At the criminal trial, the trial court convicted the appellant for the offence under section 420 of the IPC and sentenced him to undergo 3 years imprisonment along with a fine of rupees 5,000. However, the additional district and sessions judge Jodhpur wide judgment dated 24 August 2007 allowed the criminal appeal and acquitted the appellant. The appellant thereafter represented for his reinstatement. Subsequently, he filed a writ petition in August 2008 for quashing the dismissal order dated 31 March 2004, the order of the appellate authority, and the orders refusing to review and reconsider the above said orders. The learned single judge, by his judgment dated 13 August 2008, dismissed the writ petition by holding that the standard of proof in a criminal proceeding and departmental proceeding is different. The learned single judge found no infirmity in the order of the disciplinary authority. Para. The writ appeal filed by the appellant has also been dismissed by reiterating the findings of the learned single judge and by further elucidating as to how the parameters for a judicial review against an order in a departmental proceeding are limited and circumscribed. Being aggrieved, the appellant is in appeal before us. The following 2 questions arise for consideration: whether the dismissal of the appellant from service pursuant to the departmental inquiry was justified. On the facts of the case, what is the effect of the acquittal ordered by the appellate judge in the criminal trial on the order of dismissal passed in the departmental inquiry. We have heard Mr. Adarsh, learned counsel for the appellant, and Mr. Vishal, learned counsel for the state.